Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to view your AT&T text message history. Now for this, you need to access their collaborative homepage. And on the left menu, you just expand administration, then click voicemail messages, okay? Access AT&T collaborate. And here the message history appears, okay? On your voicemail history under administration. And you can do a lot of things here. You can change the status of the messages. You can use the actions menu. Okay, if you only want to view voicemails or fax messages as well, or just view the messages, just go ahead and click on the messages and you'll be able to view the whole message history. Okay, and honestly, it is really that easy and simple. Just go ahead and access AT&T Collaborate. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions.